Welcome once again to this channel. We are looking at a question on indices. Solve for y in the equation. We have 5 raised to 2y plus 1 being equal to 4 multiplied by 5 raised to y plus 1 minus 15 for you to earn 4 marks. So let us begin by bringing the equation down. We have 5 raised to 2y plus 1 being equal to 4 multiplied by 5y plus 1 minus 15. So we are going to begin by splitting 5 raised to 2y plus 1 as follows. This is the same as 5 raised to 2y multiplied by 5 raised by 1, since 5 is raised to both 2y and 1, and this one is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by, this is 5 raised to y multiplied by 5 raised to 1 minus 15. We can still go down and write 5 raised to 2y as 5 raised by y, you multiply by 5 raised by y, because we have 5 raised to power y as our smallest base. We multiply by 5 power 1, and this one is going to give us 4 multiplied by 5 power y times 5 power 1 minus 15. So at this point we can say let 5 power y be equal to x, and if 5 power y is equal to x, this is going to be x multiplied by x, which is x squared, times 5, giving us 5x squared, and this one is going to be equal to 5 power y is x times 5, you get 5x times 4, you get 20x minus 15. If we reorganize this equation by taking 20x minus 15 to this other side, we are going to have 5x squared, positive 20x becomes minus 20x, minus 15 goes to the other side and becomes positive 15, and therefore this one is going to be equal to 0. If we divide all through by 5, we are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 3 being equal to 0. Remember, this is a quadratic equation which is going to be solved quadratically. This is x squared minus 4x plus 3 being equal to 0. We are going to use product sum method. The product is going to be equal to the coefficient of the quadratic term multiplied by the constant, which is 3. The sum is going to be equal to the coefficient of the linear term, which is negative 4. And therefore we need two numbers whose product is negative 3 and their sum is negative 4. The two numbers are going to be negative 3 and negative 1. From there we come down and write this equation. We are going to have x squared. Instead of using the linear term now, we are going to use the two numbers, that is minus 3x. Minus 1 is the same as minus x. Then of course plus 3 being equal to 0. From there we factorize them in pairs. We are going to have x multiplied by x minus 3. And then here we are going to have minus 1 into x minus 3. Collecting the 2, we are going to have x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 being equal to 0. If x minus 1 is equated to 0, the value of x is going to be positive 1. And if we take x minus 3, we equate to 0, another value of x is going to be positive 3. From here now we can proceed and work out the question. we said let 5 power y be x, and therefore 5 power y is going to be equal to x. One of the values of x is 1, which can be written as 5 power x is equivalent to, if we make the bases the same, we are going to take this one to be 5 power 0. Any number raised to 0 will give you 1, and therefore 5 power 0 is 1. If we drop the bases, the value of y is going to be 0. Also, 5 power y would be equal to the other value of x, which is 3, and therefore if you look at the 2, it is not possible for us to write 3 to the base of 5, and therefore this one is not going to give us the realistic value. Hence, we can conclude that the value of y is going to be 0. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly take 1 second and click the subscribe button so that anytime we do a video like this, you'll automatically be given a notification.